Hello everyone, I'm here in Las Cruces, New Mexico in zone 8B. I'm visiting my daughter and let me show you her courtyard. So this is her courtyard. This is the view from the front door, and she's got some rocking chairs here, and these are the pots that I did for her, put in. I did do this salvia. It's a perennial. I bought it from Home Depot. It's a purple salvia, and that is has survived since I put it in 2 years ago. And these are cannas, and those two are original that have survived since I put it in. And just last year I bought this star jasmine from Home Depot, and it has survived. I'm new to star jasmine because in my zone it's not hardy, but it looks so nice here, and it's all green, and it's an evergreen, so she has green all year round. So I can't wait till it starts blooming for her. And this is, I came here last December and I planted right here some bulbs. Those are, I bought some bulbs from Walmart, and those are canna lilies. And this rose, it's a bare rose. It's like a lilac color. I thought it was like dead, but I pruned it hard, defoliated it, and it's coming back. So let's see how that does. And then over here is another canna lily, another bulb, and these ones right here in the back are bulbs that I brought back from Illinois, and they are wizard or pinwheel wizard alliums. So they seem like I see a little tip of green right there, and over here too on the canna lilies. And this one, I thought it wasn't going to be coming up, but there is some growth there, little tiny growth. And then the cannas, well, they're doing good. They're coming up. And over here, I had planted a bougainvillea, but I think it's dead. This is a new plant for me. It's not hardy in Illinois. So, what do you think? Think it's dead, or should I prune it hard and see like all the way down, and just leave maybe this one and get all of these ones? I mean, I wasn't sure, so that's why I planted these oriental lilies right here in December, and they're coming up and there's another. I planted like 4 of them because I didn't know if it was gonna make it. So I did the scratch test, and it looks a little bit of green, but I don't know, now it looks dead. I don't know, what do you think? He has a little bit of green in there. I don't know. We'll see. If you guys have had like experience with the bougainvillea, comment below and let me know. Should I just cut it down and because it's dead, or should leave it and see if it sprouts? She put on there things that she brings back on her little trips. And over here, I planted this holly in December. Got it on clearance, and then it's blooming, doing good. And then this boxwood, planted it 2 years ago. Not this season, last season, in the spring. One died. I had gotten her two. One died, but this one survived. It looks good. And then she has her metal art here. Or doesn't matter. So this is her front door, and out from the gym you could see all the green and the pots. So what I'm gonna want to do is plant some annuals around the cannas and the alliums, and maybe the rose, or I don't know, I'm thinking of buying like 2 more maybe smaller pots flanking the rose on each side, and those be for annuals only, so she has something, you know, flowering all the time, you know, and maybe some other annuals here too, around the holly and the boxwood. Which is something that I'm learning to do, because I'm not used to doing gardening in pots, container gardening, because in Illinois, you know, it's cold. It's on 5B, 6A. So I always do in-ground planting. I only use container planting for my annuals. But here it's a whole different way of gardening, because it still gets really hot. Like right now it's like 75 degrees. It's gonna be like 80, and the sun, out in the sun, it feels hotter. It's no joke. The sun here is no joke in the Southwest. And I gotta choose plants that would take the heat of the summer, the dry conditions, and in the winter, in January they do get some frost and snow. I think it goes down like to 20 or 30. So the plants that I have to choose have to be tough. But so far, the salvia and the cannas have done good, and the star jasmine and the boxwood. This is a boxwood I bought just at Home Depot, like one of those little ones. And the house. So yeah, that's it for the little tour here of the courtyard. Oh, and this is her gate that she has. I love this gate. How cute it looks. And the dogs, they like to be out here and just look outside and bark. Or take the sun, soaking the sun up. Well, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.